This is Vanessa Joy for Adorama TV, and we are doing a bridal shoot today. I was able to photograph Gabrielle's engagement session as well as her wedding, of course. And now we get to focus on her second dress from her wedding. It's going to be a lot of fun. Join us. As I mentioned, today you're going to follow me behind the scenes photographing one of my amazing brides on a bridal session. If you're not familiar with bridal sessions, they're not really done in all parts of the country. I very rarely photograph them in the New York and New Jersey area, but in Austin, Texas, they are much more popular. Usually they are done before the wedding day so that the bride can have a ton of amazing photos just of herself without the stress and pressure of the actual wedding day. One of the photos from the session is typically printed large, like a 24x36 canvas, and placed at the wedding itself. And then turn like you're trying to look towards my awesome bags. Yep. That's awesome. Look down for one.
Yeah, we got this. We're good.
How many people drive a golf cart in Louis Vuittons, by the way? Yeah, that's perfect. And do the same thing. So kind of like you can almost like start on the bottom, just kind of like move your arms around and then go up and then back down. Love that. Make sure you download this free posing inspiration guide that helps you with inspiration for posing couples, individuals, and groups. I'm shooting with my Canon EOS R5, Canon 135mm f2, and my 28-70 f2. I also brought along my Canon 85mm 1.2 lens, which is just a beautiful portrait lens. Just kind of do like a one, like exaggerate the hip, and then kind of look down in front of you like you're actually about to walk and need to see what you're doing. I'm also using the newly released Manny Ortiz Beauty Dish by Westcott, along with my Profoto B10 for maximum portability and power with a beautifully soft light. So just like welcome to my house vibes. Exactly. Take a baby step that way so you're right in the center right there. Yeah. Can't pay for this kind of light. It looks so good. And then just kind of like look off that way, like you're bored, you answer the door, you can't believe. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah, all the hair in front, good. That was it. That was literally the 6 seconds of awesome light. Oh my word. I'm just gonna back all the way up. Gab, right there, actually. Stay there first. Yeah, and oh, exactly what you just said. You kind of like were like, oh, fixing my hair, looking at you. Yep. So come this way, like right to the middle. Yep, a little bit back. Come a little baby, yeah, perfect. This hand may be here, and this hand this way. And then all your hair behind you.
Am I exaggerating enough?
No, it's perfect. No, it's perfect, because if you do too much, then it like crinkles. You don't want to do that. So it's just kind of, and then you're gonna look over there. And then look towards me, like over your shoulder. Nice, and then eyes down that way. Now let's take a look at some editing. All right, so here are all of the images from the session. All the ones that, aren't blinks and blurs, as I call them. Pretty fun stuff. I'm really happy with this. I definitely picked some favorites I'll edit for you. And the only place I had a little bit of trouble was here because my EVF was just silhouetting the scene, much like this, and I had some problems finding the focus, but we got some great shots anyway. So out of all of those, these here are my favorites. And then these here are my ultimate favorites that we're just going to go ahead and throw in Lightroom. Going through these photos, I know my client, Gabrielle, because I've photographed her before, and I know she loves a good black and white. So I threw more than normal into black and white and just had fun with them. all these photos, really, in editing them, I just played around. They're meant to have fun, so I tried out a bunch of my different presets. I definitely used my local adjustment brushes to do some touch-ups. You can grab all those at presets.breatheyourpassion.com. And as you can see, just played around. Even did a few things like putting together an HDR version and messing around with the colors. But overall, I am really happy with these, and I know Gabrielle will be as well. I hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes look of a real photo session. Let me know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see more of here on Adorama TV. Make sure you hit subscribe, ring the bell, all the things. Bye.